Pakistani Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said that the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has been contributing to the country's economic development, while promoting regional connectivity and prosperity. He made the remarks at the two-day Islamabad Security Dialogue.
China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, the hallmark of Pakistan's all-weather strategic cooperative partnership with China, is contributing to Pakistan's economic turnaround, in addition to promoting regional connectivity and prosperity. We envision Pakistan emerging as the gateway to Western China, Afghanistan, and Central Asia. We are endeavoring to reap the peace dividends in Afghanistan in the form of enhanced connectivity and trade. Zero-sum perspectives must be shed. We need to focus on cooperation rather than confrontation. Pakistan is committed to peaceful coexistence and cooperative multilateralism for win-win outcomes. Pakistan will continue to support an equitable and inclusive global order where no one is left behind. We strive for a world of peace, progress, and prosperity, in which benefits of development are shared by all.